This is Pisector. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Pisector alarm system, the modern ALMS02. When you got your package, open the package and check everything, you receive the correct. Okay. This is the main box. Inside has a main panel, a motion sensor, a gap detector with 2 remote control, and if you have an extra remote, there is 4 remote control. Okay, this is the gap detector motion sensor. We already have coded, programmed with the panel. This is the code we call panel system. And here we have wireless siren and line gap detect, and one of the panic button, 2 motion sensor. All of this sense is extra. We didn't program yet. You need to program by yourself. Now I'm going to show you how to program it. First, open the gap detector, install the battery. Open the gap detector back. Okay, if it's common to close. So make sure the positive and the negative and install properly. To push a little bit and close the cover. That's 2 parts to put together. There's a motion sensor. When you open, this is the mount, you keep it. So first we install the battery. Make sure the positive and negative. To push and place to here. Then cover it. Make sure cover in the back, start, then pull up. And you need a screwdriver, which with the close tips, and find the screw. Find the smaller screw here, and to tighten it. You can do later. I just show you how to program. So here is the switch on and off. You can switch on to see the battery installed good or no. So switch on, you can see the light on for 1 second and then switch off it. So you can install all the gap detector for all this and the motion sensor. Right now I'm just do example to show you do one of them, okay, for each. So take the main panel. This is the main panel. Have a keypad and 3 of the program confirm retain keypad. And this is antenna. This is switch on and off and the siren port and everything. And the back side has this one. If you have some wired sensor, that's used for connect. If not have wireless sensor, you could leave it. So when you going to connect the power adapter to the outlet, then connect the power to the port here. Okay, then press on of the panel. So you hear a beeps with all the light flash once. Now you can enter the password. 1, 2, 3, 4 pound. When you enter the password, you can see Alt and Home. There's 2 lights is on. This means the system in setup state. So we can enter the command 7 star, and you will see this is zone 01. Zone 01 we already programmed with this gap detector in the box. And zone 02 we already programmed with the motion sensor in the box. Zone 03 pound we already programmed with the remote control and zone 04, zone 03, zone 04. Now why is going out? Because when we are setting up a state, only we have 20 seconds. If over 20 seconds, system will go exit. So the alt and the home tonight is going off. So during this time, what do we have to do? We have to enter program password again. 1, 2, 3, 4, pound. So now I'm going to register the new gap detect and motion sensor. So we put the commands 7 and pound. So we want to register this zone in zone 7. Why zone 7? Because zone 5, zone 6, most of the time for smoking alarm system, for the smoking alarm. Because smoking alarm detected, they need the time 24 hours on. Sorry. 07, we put 07 for this gap detector and the pound. So when you see 07, and then you go to, you know why? Because we talk and we do slowly, so they're again going to exit. We have to back it to put the password again. So 07. Oh, sorry, by mistake, it should not 07. First the command 7 pound. Okay, because this is 4 different and mistake 7 pound again. So you see 01, then you put 07 and pound and trigger the sensor. What's the trigger? Take the parts away from another part means trigger, like the door open. So then you see 07 and here the 2 beeps. Then means this one have registered. So put 08 and the pound to register this motion sensor. We switch on this motion sensor, you will have 2 beeps. See? Then switch off. So now 08 will register this motion sensor. So what you want more, if you have more gap detector, which you have installed all the battery, you can put 09, 10, and 11, all of up to 32. You can register off the motion sensor. Now we are going to exit of the setting state. So return.